Hi guys, this is Mrs. Anderson. I'm going to show you how to add a tool to your browser that might be able to help you with annotating your PDFs that you're going to use in this unit of study. So you want to make sure that you are in Chrome, not Safari. So make sure you go into Chrome. And when you're in Chrome, you're going to open up a window and you are going to type Cami Chrome extension. Cami for Google Chrome is here, and you're going to open it up, and it says remove from Chrome for me because I already have it installed, but this should say add-on or something like that, and you're going to click that blue button, and then to make sure that you have it downloaded, you'll see it up here. When you click the puzzle piece, it'll show you all the extensions that you need or that you have, and I pin mine so that it'll show up on my browser whenever I open up Chrome. So when you pin it, it turns blue as opposed to being clear and gray. So you can hit X there. You see it right here. It is the circle K. That's the Cami. And that is what you can utilize to annotate any PDFs that you want. So when you go in to do your anticipation guide, your pre-reading activity for Macbeth, you can open it up in Cami. And if you need to, you can download it to your desktop, and then you can go and go to the home button for Cami and search your computer for the document and pull it up that way. But in this case, again, when I click here, it'll just open it up in Cami for me automatically because I use it already. So I want to explain for this assignment, you're going to go ahead and use the text box, and you can select any colors that you want. Please don't select white or yellow. Those are difficult for me to read. But you're going to type your name and your class period, and then you're going to go through and do exactly what the discussion or the directions say. The following statements are designed to get you thinking before we delve into the text of Macbeth. So before we start reading it, answer each question writing yes if you agree with the statement, or no if you disagree, or not sure if you are not convinced either way about the statement. For each, explain or justify in 1 or 2 sentences why you chose your answer, including examples or reasoning. Be prepared to discuss and justify your responses in class. Put a star by 2 about which you feel the most passionate. So, very first thing you need to do is, select your text box and select your color, and on this line is where you're going to write if you are not sure, or yes, or no, okay? And then once you have that, you're going to come down here and write your justification. Justification simply means why you believe what you believe. So if I say no, too much ambition can't be dangerous, then I would go on to explain why I do not think that it is dangerous. You need to do that for each of these statements. There are 18 statements. And then it asks you to identify 2 of the statements that you feel the most passionate about, and it asks you to put a star. I'm just going to tell you, you can use one of these symbols here instead, or if you are really passionate about, making a star, you can definitely go to drawing and just draw your star out if you would like. If you ever make any mistakes with what it is that you are doing, you can go down to the eraser and erase it. Or if you make a mistake with the text boxes, you can just highlight it and hit the X, and it gets rid of that for you. Once you're finished, go over to the Save button where it says Turn In, and I want you to go down, and you're going to go where it says Google Drive. You're going to move it into your English 1, Honors English 1 folder, so you'll select whichever folder you're going to move it into, and then select that, and it's going to move a copy into your Google Drive. And then you can download. When you download the document, you want to make sure you download it with the annotations. I'm going to show you real quick because it deleted mine. Okay, so if I have that there and I hit download, now it says with annotations, and you're going to select that one. Otherwise, it's going to submit a blank one. So with annotations, begin export, and then you'll upload the final document to your Schoology for a grade. And that's about it. And you can use Cami for any PDFs for any class, and it works very similar to Adobe when you are you know, preview reader using those tools in there. But I do like Cami because it saves a copy within your Google Drive as well. All right, guys, good luck. Make sure you answer all of them. Take care.